TNT lures. TNT lures. TNT lures. TNT lures Vietnam. Fish on. Release time. Oy, okay na yan. Bye bye. Hey guys, meron tayo dito dalawang lure. TNT lures. Ang lambot niya, pero makapal siya. Kapal na. Try natin. TNT lures Vietnam. Abu Garcia. Fish on! Fish on TNT lures! Fish on! Fish on TNT lures! Fish on, baby! TNT lures! Fish on! TNT lures, baby! Uy! TNT lures! Baby! TNT lures! Baby! TNT lures! Ooh, baby. TNT lures. TNT lures, baby. Baby. Gumexus, baby. Gumexus TNT lures. Hopefully we can catch this fish. Ooh. TNT lures, baby. Hopefully. Oh, come on, baby. Uy. Oh, TNT lures, baby. TNT lures. Wow. Oh, this is big, baby. TNT lures. Look at how big it is. This is very big, baby. Abu Garcia, baby. Baby. Abu Garcia, baby. Baby. Guys, nakahuli ko. TNT lures. TNT lures Vietnam. Laki na to. Wow. Whoa, look at this. Gumexus, baby. Ang laki. Wow. Ang laki niya, nakakatuwa. TNT lures. Yeah. TNT lures. Yan sa bibig niya. Huli tayo, guys. Tingnan natin. Shadow transcend. So tingnan niyo yung bibig niya. Yan. TNT lures. TNT lures. Ang laki. Sa bibig niya, oh. TNT lures. Oh shit. Ang lakas niya. Oh, laki. Laki niya. TNT lures. Ipin, no? TNT lures. Nice one, baby. Tignan nyo kung gaano kalaki. TNT lures. Woo! Abu Garcia. Laki oh. Hindi ko sukat akalain may malaki na pala dito. May halimaw pala dito. Okay guys, shout out 1WBC Anglers Club, TNT Lures Vietnam, and Abu Garcia Ocean Field. Shout out. Laki. Hi guys, TNT Lures Vietnam. Laki oh. Nahuli ko ngayong umaga ito sa Kalumpit. Woo. Shout out TNT Lures. TNT Lures baby. Number 1. Hey guys. So ito yung kagat ng mga toman sa kanya. In English. Hi guys, this is the bite of the toman. The lure slide to its double hook from the swivel to the ring to the hole of the double hook, and the hook is still very sharp. And oh wow, it's very thick. The lure is very thick, but it's very strong. Look at the TNT. This is very good lure. Very thick and soft. And the toman bite, even the 4 kilo toman, 5 kilo toman can stand with this lure. Nice. Look at the fight. Look at the fight of the lure. Ah, this is the bite of the toman. See that? Oh, see that? That the sharp tooth of the toman. That's one. And nothing more. Very good. Very strong lure. We can use this to another fight. Nice one. Shout out 1WBC Anglers Club. Hey guys, pawalan ko na siya. Release time. Release time, baby. Uy, okay na yan. Bye bye. Relax muna siya dyan. Sarap ng laban. Malupit pala yung TNT lures. Hi. Diyan ka muna ba? Shoutout yung Maxus. Uy. Bye bye. Sarap ng laban. Shoutout 1WBC Anglers Club, yung Maxus, TNT Lures Vietnam. Lahat ng outfit ko, kung ano pa yan, hashtag ko na lang. Sarap ng laban, napakalaki. So hindi ko na nabilang kung ilan dito, hindi na mahalaga yun. Basta nangawit ako. So napakasaya ng laban. Bass Pro Shop, bebe. Whew. One bebe sa Angler Club, bebe. Yun na lang, one. Shout out.